LX Lasers machines have garnered immense popularity in Brazil, catering to a wide range of industries, including automotive, furniture, and pipe manufacturing. LX laser tube cutting machines offer an optional servo slag removal feature, ensuring that the inner walls of your pipes remain clean after laser cutting. This not only improves precision, but also meets the high precision requirements of industries like automotive parts manufacturing. LX machines come equipped with a fully automated material loading and unloading system. No manual intervention is required. The machine handles the entire process from loading to cutting to unloading. It's as simple as pushing a button, and no extensive training is needed to operate it proficiently. LX laser tube cutting machines operate at a remarkable 50% higher speed compared to the competition. This means that you can accomplish more tasks in the same amount of time, increasing your productivity significantly. LX Laser offers the most extensive range of laser tube cutting machine options in the market. Whether you're cutting pipes with a diameter as small as 2 millimeters or as large as 1,000 millimeters, we have the perfect machine for you. Our machines can handle various pipe shapes and profiles, meeting the diverse processing demands of the local pipe manufacturing industry. These are just a few of the reasons why our machines are the preferred choice in the Brazilian pipe manufacturing industry. At Longxin Laser, we're committed to delivering top-notch performance and precision for your cutting needs. Join the ranks of satisfied customers who trust in our technology.